Okay, this is our next design here. It is a simple minimalist house design that is very good to know how to do it, because in the logo creation it is very nice to create a simple design. Okay, we'll use tools to create this design. So let me decrease the size and place it here. Okay, let's go with rectangle tool. Always you hide M in your keyboard and you can create a rectangle like that, a small rectangle. Okay, if you want you can hold shift to get a square, a perfect square. Okay, after that you can go there to choose this color, or no, in the file, double click and go to find your blue color and go there a little bit. Okay, fine, to blue. Let me do it a little light blue. Okay, fine. After that you want to duplicate it in the top by hold alt or option, duplicate it here. Okay, decrease this like that. If you have the accession tool, select both and drag it like that. Okay, now you want to change color, select it, your shape, go there and do one click on this, double click, or this, no, double click and go to color window and you want to change this configuration. No, it is not good. Let me copy this color, do one click, use eyedropper tool, do one click here and you'll get this color, but I must show you the code color. Okay, if you go there, I can hold shift and do one click and you'll see here you have 96B4E0 for the color. Let me add it in my swatches by do one click here and add it. Okay, here. Okay, fine. So after that you want to duplicate it, this, by hold option or alt here, and okay, and now you want to add an anchor point. Let me, here it isn't very in the best place, so you can hide command U or go there, view, and click on yes, command U. Okay, and you'll get this preview, command or control U. I want to place it in the best place. Okay, good, it is a very good. Now command U to return to this view. Now we can hold with your selection tool to duplicate this here. Let me verify, command U. Okay, command U again, command U. Okay, U, command and this. Okay, after that with your pen tool, hold command, select this, add an anchor point here, use the accession tool, do one click and drag it to place it here. Okay, fine. Let me change color, I drop it tool to copy this color and I show you the code color that is here, and I can add it to my swatches. Maybe I use it. Okay, and after that let me decrease. Okay, after that I want to create a door here with dark color. Okay, reduce a little bit, direct selection tool, select this, round cap. Okay, duplicate it in the top here with selection tool, reduce like that, very small, and you can duplicate it here too and add white color. Okay, after that you want to create a rectangle. Okay, how to do that? A triangle, you want to create a triangle, so you can go there, hold your click and click on polygons tool. When you click, you hold your click and drag, you get a polygons like that. Don't let your click, you can change position if you hold space, change position, and if you hold always your click with your up key, you can increase the side number. If you click your down key in your keyboard, you can decrease this the side, and if you hold shift, you get this position like that. You can do it big, decrease a little bit, decrease, and after that go to object, go down to distort, envelope distort, and make with wrap. And here you can choose, no, you can go here. Let me change color. I want to see, use this color, the same color like this. And now go to object, envelope. Okay, exactly that I want. Decrease, and click on OK, and go to object to expand it, to format the warp effect, and get this design. With your shift E, you get a eraser. Shift E, you get eraser tool. Shift E, and you can hold Alt and drag to create a bounding box like that, and touch somewhere of your shape to delete the part. Okay, place it here, decrease the size, duplicate the second here. Let me delete. Please, if you select this, hold shift to select this. I can do one click to fix it. I want to align this about this, and it's okay. I have the perfect alignment here. So hold Alt to duplicate and shift to duplicate, and here the big, and duplicate this here by hold shift and decrease a little bit. If you select all, you can make them by go to Pathfinder and make them like that. After that, you want to create a cloud, so hit L in your keyboard to create, to choose ellipse tool and create this ellipse like that with dark color. You want to duplicate one here, another here, another here, maybe here, one here, and one here. Okay, if you select all, you can go to Pathfinder and make them. Also, you can, it isn't a cloud, it is a something like, you can place it here with eraser tool again, hold shift and A, alt, and delete this and place it here. you want to align them, so you select this, hold shift to select this, and you do one click to fix this and align about it. Okay, fine. Okay, fine. After that, you want to create here a moon with the same color like this. Okay, and you want to create 2 circles like a cloud, like that. Select both, add black color. Okay, if you select all, you can hold shift M to delete by hold alt this part. Okay, and now you want to create this shape with M. Create it like that, duplicate it, do it a little big. Okay, add this color. Okay, and for this, so just select this second shape and add this color, do it a little black, a little dark, and select both. Command X or Control X to cut them, Command B or Control B to paste in the back, Command G to group them, place them here. After that, I want to create this dark shape with pencil tool, height M in your keyboard, add black color here. Okay, and go to draw something like that. Add black dark color. Command X to cut it, Command X to cut it. Select all shape here, Command B to paste in back. Okay, you have your nice minimalist and simple design. Select all. Let me go there, do it big, do it big. Okay, select all now. Command G to group them. This is a minimalist design in Adobe Illustrator. Let's go for the next practice.